Here to do the review on the KVV three-wheel golf cart. What's really nice about this is if you're in the market to walk the golf course, of course you're saving money. The PGA professionals walk. We don't have a caddy, so the next best thing is your push cart. Don't settle for the two-wheel. Go for the three-wheel. Check this out. This golf cart is as simple as pulling it up like so. It snaps into place. You take your golf clubs. Of course, these brackets here expand. Can fit. This again is a full-size cart bag. The golf bag fits right in. And if you come a little closer here, I'm going to show you how it stays locked into the cart. These bungee straps hook together just like so. And then another one down here at the bottom. And that locks in your bag, right? Now watch this. You know, your golf clubs are not going anywhere. What's neat about this one is you're not fighting two wheels. It's got three wheels. You just push and go. There is, if you come around this side here, there is a brake down here. You just push it with your foot. And that way, if you're on an incline, your clubs are not, you're not chasing your clubs down a slope or into the water. What's neat about this down here too is these wheels. They come right off. So if you're like us, we've got some animals on the course. Sometimes you run over stuff. You want to clean your wheels. They simply pop off. The actual push itself is adjustable. So it's got a little lever on the side. Of course, you can angle based on whatever preference you want. I do prefer it down here. That way I can utilize the cup holder, the storage compartment for, it's magnetic. And it's it holds golf balls, whatever else you want in here. Chapstick.
Some more chapstick.
The cup, it does have a ball marker integrated into the cart itself, so you could pop your golf ball in. And for your alignment markers, you could do 2, 3, or to the tee, however you want to do it. Of course, you can fit your golf tees here. And it does have these little knobs that if you wanted to bring additional bags, there is a clip over here if you maybe have like an umbrella or a bulb, one of those extended bulb things that you pick up, you can snap it on underneath here. But yeah, I mean, this thing's, don't settle for the two-wheel, go for the three-wheel. Pick you up a KVV today and save some money and do like the PGA pros do. Get to walking and enjoy the golf course and enjoy the day. So taking down the KVV three-wheel push cart, you just come up back over here. These straps have a tab on it, so it makes it for easy disassembly. You just grab the strap, pull up, and comes right out. Of course, you take your golf clubs out. And this massive three-wheel push cart, at the push of a button.
Let me see the button.
You push a button right here.
All right.
Collapses the entire unit into an easily storable solution. Now again, what's neat about this is even the brackets here have golf ball type imprints on it. So listen, don't settle for a two-wheel. Go for the three-wheel. Pick yourself up the KVV and save some money and enjoy the course.